Right, so we just got these pixel cubes, and we got the garden cottage set. It's for ages 3 plus, and they are magnetic cubes. And you can see there's all different kinds, and we're gonna open it together.
Oh. The magnetic cube!
Okay, so it comes with a cute little bag. These are called pixel cubes. They're little squares. Here we go, and then this is the idea book that came with it, and it's got, so there is magnets on the face of each cube, so you can stack them in any direction to make whatever you would like. And they actually are really strong magnets. I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but you drop them and they just stick on. So I'm gonna let my son play with them.
It's very hard to pick up all of that at the same time. But guess what? I'm gonna make it that deal with that. I'm gonna put how I want. The clip that's themed on boats.
Yeah, I like the flower cubes. It really does look like a garden, or like parts of a garden and a house. Oh, boards. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Yeah.
Boats. Boats, Mom.
I didn't realize you knew that word.
Actually,
Really quite
I knew it for a
detailed.
long time. I know a word for a long time. Oh, guess what? Even when I flip it over. Oh, that's the B-E one. That's the one B. Beehive.
Yeah, it's a beehive. That's cool.
And they're like beehive.
Little fortress, huh?
Look. That's the one I had.